Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. I hope everybody's doing well. I've been a little bit under the weather, but I'm beginning to feel a little bit better. But I wanted to come to you and share this Happy Mail. Happy Mail always makes you feel better, much better. So what I have is I have Happy Mail from 3 of my friends, and I'm going to share it with you now. Let's see what we got first. I was saying on one of my videos that I don't usually craft Halloween. So one of my subscribers, Alice, she sent me some Happy Mail, and this is what she sent to help me craft Halloween. Wasn't that really nice that you mentioned something? I didn't mention it so somebody could send me something, but people are so sweet that she just did it. She sent me this. Look at that. Look at that. And let me get it in there for you. There you go. Look at that. Trick or treat. They all have googlies. Most of them have googly eyes. Love googly eyes. I want candy, some candy. Skull. Googly eye skull. I mean, he's a funny looking skull, so he's not scary. Happy Halloween. And she sent me some of this from Jolie's Boutique. It has creepy corn, delicious but deadly apple, dark side chocolate, trick or treat bag with some candy and stuff in it, devilish chews, and toxic treats on a stick. That's just cool. That's just cool. And she sent me these ghosties. Look at these ghosties. They kind of look like mummy ghosties. Let me see if I can bring my camera down some so you can see them. They look like mummy ghosties, don't they? They look like mummies because they're all wrapped in gauze. That is so cool. That is so cool. And she sent me this one. It's like Happy Halloween, Trick or Treat, Boo, Spooky. And they got googlies too. I love googlies. She sent me this book of decorative sticky notes. And it's like a fall themed. Has like, look at fox with glasses on, hedgehog, owl. This is cool. You never have enough stickies. And she sent me these beads. Oh, look at these beads. Look at these, you guys. Aren't they beautiful? They're like Halloween color. So I gotta make a dangly or something. Look at these two. Look at those. They're pumpkin people. It's like a pumpkin with spring arms, pumpkin body. Oh, that is so cool. Hey, you guys, if you got pumpkins out there, pumpkin cabochons, you could do this. Here's a thing. Here's a little template for you. That is gorgeous. Alice, this is so nice. And she sent me these sewing room buttons. Aren't those just really cool? Sewing room buttons. I wonder if I'm in camera. Oh, there I am. I'm in camera now. I hope those beads was on camera because they are just beautiful. Thank you so much, Alice, for helping me to be able to craft Halloween. That is so nice of you. And then my friend Michelle from Miss Seashell, she's helping me too because look, I'm working on my bee journal. And she sent me this bee gnome. And he has like honey food. He got a bee. That looks like the bee from that cereal commercial. Some of those mushrooms, little hive with more bees, and the hive right there. Isn't this gnome just cute? Isn't he just cute? I think it's just, is he 2 of them in here? Oh, no, it's another, well, yes, 2 of them. Well, it's more of them. Okay, so it's this one. That was cute. Bring him down so you guys can see him. And look at him now. Oh my, he's so cute. Bee honey, little bees. Look at him with his little beard and little jar of honey. He gotta be careful though, because if he gets this honey stuck in that beard, it's gonna be days getting the honey out of there. So look at him, he is so cute. Yep, he gotta be careful with that honey though. Look at his little hat. He gotta be careful with that honey, I'm telling you, because all that beard, honey get in it, a mess. That is so cute. Thank you, Michelle. And then, to help me with my bee journal some more, she sent me this. It's like a bee. It's like a, hope with the glare. You can't hardly see. Let me see. Let me do that. So now you can see it. It's like a bee stamp and pieces to cut it out. It's like, be kind, be well, be mine. Oh, he's going to be so cute. And you could cut it out in a little bee too. That's going to be so nice. And then she sent me these flowers, these sunflowers. I haven't seen these sunflowers anywhere. I think these are the kind bees like too. She's all about my bee journal. I hope my bee journal. I got to get back to working on that. And you guys, please forgive my voice. I'm just not up to par, but I'm getting better. But I wanted to come to you with this Happy Mail because I was so happy about it. Look at those. I didn't never seen these at my Hobby Lobby. And look, she made me something. She got the wood magnets from Jot, the Dollar Tree, and she put bees on them for me. Oh man, that is so cool, you guys. That's such a cool idea. Michelle, you are just the bestest. Just the bestest. And she sent me a jar of honey. Look at that jar of honey she made. I think she made this with her resin. Yup. See, she's so good at keeping with her resin. I got to get going. I got to fill up the pot so I can keep playing with my resin. But there's my jar of honey. And she sent me a Gingy to make me smile. Look, a little Gingy. Gingy's like honey too, you know. And she's always making stuff with her resin. And she sent me this, you know what? I got to get it together. And she sent me this clock that she made with her resin with a nice bead on it. And it's a keychain. Thank you, Michelle, so much. Thank you for thinking about me. And thank you, Anne. And I also got something from my friend Ruth. And Ruth made me a roller kit. At Christmas time, she had made me one. And my daughter took it. Wait a minute, it looks like it's upside down. Oh, no, I think it's right. You probably can read it. It's a Rona kit. And that's the virus, and that's a mask. Inside the Rona kit, you know, this is such a clever idea that she had and that she made for all of us. So inside you get some hand sanitizer. You get one of those things to put on under your mask so your mask is not so close to your face so you can breathe better. She gave me one of those cootie key things so you don't have to touch stuff. This is another mask. She gave me some sanitizing wipes, 99% alcohol-free wipes, because sometimes the alcohol gets to you. She gave me some gloves. Wait a minute, the gloves. She gave me some gloves, because I told her I needed one to keep in my car. And she gave me a mask. And there is some Purell. And that's all that's in the Rona kit. And then there's the Rona kit checklist. You get hand sanitizer, face mask, a cootie key, disposable gloves, face mask bracket, and disposable face mask. Thank you so much, Ruth, for making me a new Rona kit so I can have, hey, you guys, this is a good idea. Because I think we're going to have I'm sad about it, but we're going to have the virus with us for a while, so we all got to stay safe. Thank you, Ruth. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Alice. This just cheers me up. Cheers me up. Thank you very much, and I hope my voice wasn't so bad on this video. So thank you very much. Be the reason somebody smiles. Take care of yourselves and be safe, and I'll talk to you all soon in the next video. Bye now.